Does Dropbox keep deleted files forever? The answer is no. Dropbox does not normally keep your deleted files available forever. And here's what actually happens. When you delete a file or folder from Dropbox, it does not always disappear immediately. Instead, Dropbox keeps deleted files recoverable for a limited period depending on your account and plan. For many Dropbox plan, deleted folders or files can be recovered for 30 days. Some paid plans may provide a longer recovery window such as 180 days. To check, open up Drop folders and then go to deleted files and look for the file you would like to recover. If it's still within your recovery period, you can select it and then choose to restore. But once that recovery window expires, you generally won't be able to restore the file through Dropbox. So if you accidentally delete something important, don't wait too long to recover it. That is how deleted files works on Dropbox. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.